In this video, I will show you how you can remove postage stamps from the envelopes and save them without damaging them, and then have the stamp be all on its own. The first thing you need to do is fill up a little dish with water, then simply put them in the water. Let them soak, and eventually the stamps will separate themselves from the paper. What happens is the glue loosens and separates. Here we are. It's been about a day. I let them soak overnight, and you can see they're kind of separating. And to speed the process along, I'll simply peel them off, and there we go. So there is a stamp completely detached from the paper. You still have a little glue on the back of the stamp, but that's no problem. There's a little paper residue, but at least it's all on its own. Set that off to the side. Obviously, the longer you soak them, the more of this will come off. It depends on how clean you want to get them. If you left them in there for a couple days, then they may come right off on their own. And here's the last one. So by leaving them in the water, it helped dissolve the glue, break it down, and separate them from the paper. And you have stamps that are perfect, removed from any envelope, and ready for your book. And that is how to remove the paper from your stamps and have them ready for a stamp book or your collection.